Have you ever seen something so jiggly, wiggly, and bouncy? That is called a jelly. Let's make jiggly, wiggly, glittery jelly for Mom.
Welcome to Wunderworld. Let's go, wonderful!
Hello Wunder Citizen, it's me, Evelyn, the Wunder Scientist, and this is Captain Wunder Duck.
Yay!
Come, today we want to make wiggly, jiggly, bouncy jelly for Mom. Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's make jelly. We can start by mixing water with this magical powder called konnyaku jelly powder.
Wow!
We'll also need sugar, a pot to heat up our jelly, and any mold you have at home. First, we need to heat up our water. And if you're making this with me, please call your parents to help you. And I'm just mixing the sugar with the jelly powder so it will melt better in the water. Our powder is now looking like sand. But after a while, as we heat it up, it will melt and mix completely with the water. Now I will add a little bit of colorant. Let's choose violet color for our jelly mixture. And I will also add some edible glitter. Wow, look at that! And we mix it up together. Oh look! It starts to bubble up a little bit on the sides. That means we're done cooking the jelly. Yay! Now, let it cool down for a bit before we pour it into our mold. Our jelly has cooled down now. But watch out, the pot is still really hot. Ouch! Now I'm going to pour our jelly mixture into my mold, and I'm using this mold in the shape of a castle. Stop! Before you do the next step, please ask your parents to help you. Look! Our jelly now still a liquid. We will let our jelly mixture cool down and sleep in the fridge for 3 hours, and this will magically turn into a wiggly, jiggly, bouncy jelly. While we wait for our jellies to cool down, let's explore the science behind jellies. This is a special powder made from a I can't remember!
Well, I do.
Oh, Professor Beary, thank goodness you are here! Can you explain the science behind jellies?
Okay, here we go. Jelly is made from a root vegetable called konyak that helps us turn water into something we can wiggle. When we heat up the mixture earlier, our magic powder wakes up and starts to open up, holding onto the water. When we cool it down, our magic powder grabs all the water and holds it tight and turns into a jelly. This process is called jellification.
Jellification. Jellification. Now say it with me. Jellification. Another time. Jellification. Jellification. Yay! Jellification is when we turn water into a wiggly jelly.
Okay, I have to go now. See ya!
Bye, Professor Beary! Hey, I think my jelly has cooled down. Let's find out. Look, Wunder Citizen, my jelly is now done, and I'm going to take it out of the mold. I'm so excited! Let's go! Here we go! Ooh! Oh, I can't wait to see! Wow! Look at that! Oh my goodness, it's so jiggly! And it's so bouncy too! Bounce, bounce, bounce. Wow! It's a jiggly, wiggly, bouncy jelly! That's so wonderful! Did you discover new words today? Let's read it with Professor Beary!
Okay, here we go.
Jelly, wiggly, bouncy, mom, duck, bear, honey, sleep, read, science. Professor Beary, can we read them faster?
Okay, here we go.
Jelly, wiggly, bouncy, mom, duck, bear, honey, sleep, read, science. Professor Beary, can we read them even faster? Jelly, wiggly, bouncy, mom, duck, bear, honey, sleep, read, science.
Phew. Wow, that was fast.
Great job, Wonderful! You are my Wonder Star! Come on, Wonder Citizen, let's pretend we are jellies!
The jelly on the plate goes jiggle, 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 jiggle. The jelly on the plate goes jiggle, 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 all through the house. The jelly on the plate goes bounce, 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 bounce. The jelly on the plate goes bounce, 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 all through the house.
Awesome! You are my Wonder Star! Yay!
Evelyn, my mom's birthday is coming up, but I don't have anything for mom.
I have an idea. How about if we make jelly mask for mom?
Wow, how do we do that?
It's simple really. Let's do the same jelly mixture as earlier. Look. And I'm going to add some gold edible glitters. I heard mom likes gold. Ooh. Wow. And some honey too. Honey is really hydrating for mom's skin. How much honey should we put? Just a little bit.
Oh, yes!
Mix it up. And it's done. So now we're just gonna scoop out the jelly mixture on a plate right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll just spread it out. And done! Now we'll just let it cool down a little bit before we remove it from the plate. Done! Look! It's a jelly mask.
Wow!
Ooh. Wow! That's so wonderful!
That's so wonderful!
Look, I can put it on my face. So wiggly, jiggly, and bouncy. Let me do one for you too, Wonder Duck. Look, let's let it slide down. Wow! This is for Captain Wonder Duck. That's so awesome. It's so jiggly, wiggly, and bouncy. It's for you.
But how can mom breathe if we put this mask on her?
You are right, Captain Wonder Duck. What can we do?
I have an idea. How about if we make holes on the mask?
Ooh.
I think I saw mom puts on a similar mask on her face.
That's a great observation, Captain Wonder Duck. High five! Yay! We will create holes for her eyes and mouth.
Ooh.
Look, we did it! Now Mom can see and breathe. Oh, look at that!
This will make Mom feel relaxed for sure.
Yay! That's so wonderful. Mark 5.
Yay!
In the next episode, we are going to make flowy, glowy lava lamps. Subscribe and follow to enter Wunderworld. Bye bye, wonderful!
Welcome to